Friends, we are going to show you retail AB analytics projects. Once you have done the your PowerBi course, so whoever that done that course, finally will give the one project of retail AB. I will show you what is the retail AB project. In that, you will discussion each and every point. Okay, guys. First, let me open the retail AB project. So this is the already we have done all models in the PowerBi, like in a PowerBi desktop, PowerBi U, PowerBi service, PowerBi query. I will show you how you connect with the PowerBi with the data source, and I will explain. Okay. So this is the PowerBi retail AB project is overall. Okay. This is the you are giving the task. Each and every task you have to do. Each and every task is referred by the whatever we have done in the classes. So it will be very easy to understand. Please think once you read before you doing any report. Okay. So these are the all those things you have task 7 like that 8 9 something like that, we have given the lot of requirements based on the client requirements. Okay, this is like that we will get the project in the real time scenarios. Don't forget about it. Okay, you will explain one by one. Okay, first, so first read. Okay, this is first we have to connect the data source. So in the real time, first as a Power BI developer, in the Power BI developer, we have to understanding the first what type of requirement you get, and also what type of data source you will get bring into the project. First, once you get the requirement, we have to check the data source. So what kind of data source we have, and also based on reports what you have to develop in the projects. See, first thing is we have a lot here. Here first task is here giving the source data. Source data is nothing but it's a main data. So based on source data, uh, you can understanding the source data. You can bring that source data tables into Power BI to connect the Power BI desktop, and we do this some data modelings, right? So first here we have a lot of this is the database. In that database, we have a multiple tables. One is address, customer tables, product table, ship date, ship mode, and region, segment, and date table, and sales and returns. Okay. Once you connect to the all data source into the Power BI, then we have connect to the Power Query, and we will give the finally connect with the Power BI desktop. Okay, this is the first task. Second task is Stock these connect to the data source SQL server, bring the data tables from the database. Go to sales table, change the update date column, date type, date data type, create parameter called start date, assign the parameter up to date column. So as shown below, so you will give the this assignment also what you want. Okay. So first what kind of data source we have connect? First we have to connect the SQL server, right? And bring the tables from the database, and you bring the only tables into sales table. Okay, I will show you how you bring that. Okay, and task one is continue. You will create the parameter is a you name as a start date, and this task filter rows. After that, load all the 9 tables into Power Pivot, ensure that all the tables property related, and explain task 3. Thank you so much for